Hi, I'm a lawyer, and I like to work as little as possible for the most money for you. Now, based on this video, I've probably used somebody's retainer fee to pay and sponsor this. Now, if you choose our law firm, I can promise you, you will be able to get in contact with me Monday through Tuesday between the hours of 1 and 1:30 p.m. on Monday, maybe Tuesday if I'm not available. If you text my phone, I won't text back. I have a paralegal that I overwork and underpay, but I guarantee you she will email you from an account that your email can't get, which may go into your junk folder. And if you don't respond, who cares? You're still gonna be charged. No matter what case you bring to me, I can promise you that I will tell you that I will win that case. And no matter who I'm up against, whether it's 10 million lawyers, I can promise you that you will be paying me and I will show up in the courtroom with this exact same shirt on every single time you see me. Now, I know you're wondering, what about those pesky letters that you get in the mail from other lawyers? Don't even worry about them, because I'm gonna ask you to fill those out on your own, and I'm gonna ask you to investigate some information. And when you get that information, you're gonna email me that in a lawyer type way, and I'm gonna take that information, copy, paste that into a form, then give it back to you and charge you $1,500 to submit that to the courts. The one thing you cannot deny is having the threat of a lawyer. So anybody that gets in your way, anybody that offends you, anybody that bothers you, anyone that follows you, all you have to do is say, I'm going to call my lawyer, and I will not be there to answer the phone, but the threat of having me will get them off your fucking back. I promise. For $450, I promise you can lean towards me in the courtroom and whisper something in my ear. Everyone looking will think you're saying something important to me, but you're not. You're actually asking me if you can set up a payment plan with my firm, which I may deny. And if I do accept it, I'm gonna charge you a fee. But don't worry about it, because if you wanna fight, I know a lawyer. I can be your lawyer against me in my firm. From this point forward, I promise you that I'll down talk every other lawyer that you bring to me or bring up to me, because I'm better than them. Even though we've never faced off and I don't know who you're talking about, I have 155 different stories where I can tell you in an instant that I beat him in a courtroom that he or I never entered. Most situations and cases that I've been involved in have handled themselves, but with my retainer fee and my background knowledge of how to operate and to deliver and to ask for a retainer fee is impeccable. So for $4,500, I will promise that you can use my name on all forms. And when somebody says, are you represented by someone? You can say, I'm represented by Josh Prey, who may not show up to court ever, but if I do show up to court, I'll be sure to make direct eye contact you and say, did you send your retainer fee in completely? And finally, please remember, I am not your friend. I am a paid participant in your case, so therefore I am a mercenary. If someone comes in and wants my services for more than you can pay, I must take all the information and private information that you've given me and use it against you in order to defeat you. I'm not your friend. I'm a lawyer. You should hire me for a lot of money and expect little work. Thank you. Just call.